3. Gates open, they're up and racing. Pivotal, King Zach moving up by the rail. Lady Tycoon, Ideal View, and Terry Toon is running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the 1,000 meter mark, King Zach as expected in command by about 2 lengths. Lady Tycoon is in second, running by the rail. Third is the top favorite, Ideal View. Then comes Pivotal in fourth, and Terry Toon is running at the tail of the field. Past the last 800, King Zach still leading the field by about 2 lengths. Ideal View now getting closer in second and together with Pivotal, followed now by Terry Toon. And trailing the group is Lady Tycoon heading towards the last 450. King Zach just in front. Ideal View now getting closer and using the rails to get closer. With the last 450 more to run, we have King Zach racing wide a little bit, moving up by the rail. Ideal View, Pivotal in between runners and Dory outside. Terry Toon with the last 150 more to run. King Zach, Ideal View is down on the inside. Pivotal in between runners with the last 50 meters. King Zach, Ideal View, Pivotal moving up in between runners. And finally, it's going to be King Zach, Pivotal, Ideal View, Terry Toon, and Lady Tycoon.